Hello friends, welcome to my AutoCAD tutorial video. In this video I will draw a 3D table model. After finishing solid modeling I will continue with material application. This is the final view of drawing, so let's start to drawing. Type rectangle command, dimensions will be 7 to 7 and let's fillet. Use fillet command F and R and radius is 5. Now I use a circle or just type C, and you can draw as I do. I don't use any radius here, and trim. Now tangent radius circle. Radius will be 0.8. Again, repeat it. Just click semicircle and line, and radius is 0.8. Now I'm going to trim the sharp edge. Okay. Now I again draw another rectangle with dimensions 2 units. And fillet again, radius will be 2. Now I use a boundary command to join the lines. Boundary command creates a region or a polyline from enclosed lines. So here I use it to create a closed polyline. Just click to pick points, select them and press enter. Now I have two layers of drawing. On top, new created polyline. Below is old lines. You will see it. Just move them, the top polylines, and here left, here are all drawings. Let's delete it. I don't need it anymore. Okay, let's see it. So this is the leg profile of the table. Just move the down profile about 50 units. And move the origin, the turn of the ortho mode. I am using it to be able to draw a spline between them. So just Z axis will look to me. So I locate it in that way. Click to spline command. Click to the upper section. Okay, let's turn off the ortho mode. I indicate the fit points for spline by each click, and click here and end the drawing. Click space bar or enter. Now let's see the spline from other sides if it is drawn correctly. You can make your adjustments by stretching the fit points of the spline. Okay, I leave it in that way, and it's okay. Now I'm going to use a loft command. Select loft, click the upper profile and lower profile, and then click enter. Now after entering appears some options. I choose a path because I will use a spline as a path. So let's see it in realistic. So friends, we draw one leg of the table. That's pretty cool. Let's turn the UCS to previous state, world, and top. Make the wireframe to the wireframe, and let's draw the upper part of table frame, square 50 to 50. 50, tab button, and 50, press enter. Now I'm going to mirror the leg. Okay, now again I'm going to mirror these two legs to other side. Press enter and okay, click no. Now friends, if you remember, my upper portion profile of the leg was 7 to 7. So I'm going to offset this frame to outward about 7. And I can delete it. I don't need it. Now friends, I'm going to draw a border decoration for the table. You will understand it later what I'm drawing, just you can repeat as I do. The dimensions are randomly. Let's click to art, start interaction, and let's turn off the ortho mode. Let's draw a line, and I want to stretch it to make it more uniform. Stretch down. Again, it's okay. Now let's use a boundary command again. Pick points, click to center the region, and move the polyline and delete the old lines and arc. Erase. Now I'm going to use a sweep command. Select this drawing and press enter. Choose a base point, and I will use this point as a base point so it will follow the frame of the table. Okay, let's see it in isometric view. See, let's change the view to realistic. As you see, we did it. Now I'm going to draw central part of the table just to close this hole. I use a box command and define my second point and define third point as height. Okay, we closed the hole of the table. As you see, we did the drawing actually. Now we can continue with some other details. Okay, so friends, I'm going to hide the legs to work more freely. Now go to solid, click to offset edge button. I want to draw and 5, offset 5, and distance 5, and double click to enter button. Now I'm going to draw support wood below the table. You will see it. Now I can offset this polyline with 2 units to inward, and now I'm going to use press pull command. Click between the squares and 12 units. Press enter. As you see, I draw a support board or support wood under the table. So legs came back. As you see, we added some another part. Okay, now I'm copying the legs and paste it in the same way. You will see it why I do that, and paste it back. So I have double legs because I want to subtract the leg from the support wood. So one leg will be deleted while I'm using subtraction. Click here and press enter and select the legs one by one and press enter. So let's see if it really subtracts. Just hide it and turn the drawing. So as you see, it subtracted near the leg. Okay, now another thing is I'm going to slice this upper part of the desk because I don't like it because it's like a whole body. Let's use slice command. Just click to X and Y, and now I just need to show a point from where it will start. So I click keep both sides and let's check. So it slices upper and bottom part of the table. So support and upper part. It's okay. Now I want to slice a border part of the table into 4 parts. So select slice command, select the object which I want to slice, click enter, and now I use a 3-point option just to show the 3 points. So first point will be here, second point will be here, and turn on the ortho mode and just click to and keep both sides. So as you see friends, it sliced that border part of the table. Now I will follow in the same way for the other corners. Just click slice command, select it, press enter, and 3 points, and define the 3 points, and just drag to above and keep both sides. That's okay. So it will look more realistic. Select second point and third point, press enter and keep both sides. Okay friends, so we draw our table actually. So it's ready. Now I can continue with material application and rendering and other things. Type matte and appears in material application palette, and duplicate the global option and rename it as parts of the table. I will write a metal. I will apply metal for the legs. And wood, let's call it wood 1. And duplicate one more and wood 2. Okay, now let's select the textures for each one. Click to metal and select the texture. So open my material sheets and I select the metal. Now you can play with these options, parameters like reflectivity, transparency, bump and tint, but I will show you the basic things. Let's change the color also, make it more similar to bronze metal. Okay, I put it here. Okay. Click OK. Okay, let's apply it to legs. Okay friends, so we applied the metal texture to legs. If it didn't apply on you, just go to visualize and check that material texture is on. So click, turn it to on. Okay, let's continue with wood 1. Click to image and select a texture. I choose it. And now I can change its parameters as I want. Also you can choose as you wish in other textures or materials. I apply it. Let's check it. If it is proper to my drawing. I think it's okay. Just play with some parameters and apply it to border parts. Okay. Just change the size of the sample. Let's make it smaller first. No, let's 20. It's okay. Now I leave it like this. So second, wood 2, select it, and I use ceramic tile to the center part of the table. Just make it bigger, 50. Okay. So as you see friends, I applied my materials to the drawing. Close it. Okay. So this is all about applying material. Now let's go to top view and I draw a plane surface which will be like a floor to my drawing. Plane surface command and I draw it and let's drag it to below about 50 units. See, and now I want to change the environment. Set up the environment, click render environment and exposure, turn on, use custom background, click to background, select a solid and make it white, click OK, OK, and close the palette. Now open rendering palette and select full HD and high, and you can choose the levels as you wish. I choose it 10 and click to render. So friends, this is how to draw a table on AutoCAD. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next video.